Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn English with conversation. Hello,
Hi.
I want to ask some question.
Yes, please.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to watch TV.
What TV program do you like best?
I like news and sport.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite movies?
I like adventures.
Do you like go to cinema?
Yes, I do.
With whom do you usually go to cinema?
With my friends.
How do you go to cinema?
By car.
How long do you usually watching movies?
1 hour.
Okay, thank you very much. Hello. I want to ask some question. What do you do in your free time? What TV program do you like best? Do you like watching movies? What is your favorite movies? Do you like go to cinema? With whom do you usually go to cinema? How do you go to cinema? How long do you usually watching movies? Okay, thank you very much.